Unmasking the biblical horror, crucifixion accounts exposed. The crucifixion of Jesus Christ is one of the most iconic events in human history, with profound religious and cultural significance. Yet, the details surrounding this gruesome method of execution are often overlooked or softened in popular retellings. In this article, we delve into the biblical texts to unveil the horrifying reality of crucifixion, shedding light on the brutality and suffering endured by those who were crucified. Decoding the blood-stained scriptures, a chilling revelation. The crucifixion accounts in the Bible present a chilling revelation of the horrific nature of this ancient form of execution. The Gospel of Mark describes how Jesus was led to Golgotha, where he was stripped, nailed to a wooden cross, and left to hang in excruciating pain for hours. The text goes on to describe the mockery and ridicule he endured from onlookers, further intensifying his suffering. This vivid account leaves no room for doubt. Crucifixion was a brutal and merciless method of punishment. Relentless pain and suffering, the biblical crucifixion unveiled. Reading the biblical texts, one cannot escape the relentless pain and suffering endured by those who were crucified. The Gospel of Luke paints a vivid picture of Jesus' agony, describing how he cried out in anguish, his body racked with pain. The physical torment was only part of the ordeal, as crucifixion was a prolonged and torturous death. Victims would often suffer from dehydration, exposure to the elements, and the constant strain on their arms and legs. The biblical accounts do not shy away from depicting the immense suffering inflicted upon those crucified. Unveiling the gruesome truth, examining the biblical crucifixion details. Examining the biblical crucifixion details brings to light the gruesome truth of this form of execution. The Gospel of John recounts how Jesus' side was pierced with a spear, causing blood and water to flow out. This gruesome detail emphasizes the severity of the wounds inflicted during crucifixion. Additionally, the Gospels portray the darkness that fell upon the land during Jesus' crucifixion, symbolizing the darkness and despair that engulfed those present. These details serve as a stark reminder of the brutal reality of crucifixion, leaving no room for romanticized notions. The crucifixion accounts in the biblical texts present a harrowing testament to the brutality and suffering endured by those who were crucified, particularly Jesus Christ. By unveiling the gruesome reality of crucifixion, we gain a deeper appreciation for the sacrifice that Jesus made and the immense physical and emotional pain he endured. It also serves as a reminder of the barbarity of ancient forms of punishment and the importance of understanding history in all its chilling details.